Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we are looking at your brand new 2018 Toyota Corolla CE with the CVT. It's a 4-door, 5-passenger front-wheel drive sedan in a classic silver color. Under the hood you'll find a 1.8-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 15-inch wheels. Some exterior features include your power adjustable side mirrors, as well as your fully automatic headlights and your pre-collision system as part of your Toyota safety sense. To unlock your doors for your Corolla, simply turn your key to the right there, opening it up. Right away you're greeted by a very sporty interior. You have your black trim on the side, as well as your power windows and your power locks. On the side, you have your power adjustable side mirrors. Your Corolla also comes fitted with a full set of all-weather floor mats to keep everything nice and tidy. And taking a look at your interior seats, you have that light gray fabric as well as that center detailing for added style and class. But why don't we hop on inside and start it up? Starting up your Corolla, simply put your foot on the brake there and that key in the ignition. That dashboard's going to light up with that sweet blue ambient lighting. You also have your dashboard menu. On your steering wheel, you have your steering wheel mounted controls like your volume control, your mode changers, as well as your hands-free calling, your voice command, and as part of your Toyota safety sense, you have your lane departure alert and your dynamic radar cruise control. Below here, you can set your cruise control option, as well as taking a look at your LCD screen here. Setting it up now so that your display, we can see it a little bit better. We just turn on that day mode there. Right now it's open to your audio system, so it's equipped with your AM/FM radio as well as your CD player on top. You have your USB auxiliary input, and with your Bluetooth hands-free calling, you do have your Bluetooth audio as well, so you can bring your music wherever you go. Now shifting into reverse here, you can see that your backup camera pops up right on that LCD screen. Really easy to read and keeps everybody nice and safe. Below you have your climate control with that chrome detailing for added style. That air conditioning will definitely come in handy for those hot summer months. You also do have your 12-volt DC charger and your USB auxiliary input for any media you want to plug in, as well as some storage below there. Here we're seeing that black trim again with that leather on your shift knob. You have your traction control and your parking brake with that leather again. You have your cup holders with that removable piece so that it's easy to clean. You also do have a top shelf on your center console here for any smaller items, and below you can store plenty of things, as well as that soft mat that comes out for easy cleaning. In your glove box, you have all the manuals you'll need to know everything there is to know about your Corolla. And we'll take one more look at the interior, which is built in with convenience options. But why don't we head on back and take a look at cargo. Opening up your trunk now to take a look. You also do have that trunk release at your driver's side there. Plenty of space to store everything that you need in your sedan, as well as your handy 40/60 split folding seats for any convertible storage for those larger items you need to carry in the back of your Corolla. Underneath your hardcover, you do have your jack with your tools and your spare tire in case anything does happen on the side of the road there. You have your soft felted top as well as your emergency release. Closing it up now. Below you can see that you have your backup camera. You have that chrome detailing as we take one more look at the back of your Corolla. Taking one final look at your 2018 Toyota Corolla CE with the CVT. Your Corolla is all about safety, so you have your lane departure alert with your steering assist, as well as your star safety system, which includes things like your brake assist to have you riding nice and comfortably. But don't just take my word for it, come on in, take it for a test drive. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail. Thank you again for watching this walk around video, and until I see you next time, drive safe,